Data transmission and networking are critical components of modern technology, allowing devices and systems around the world to connect seamlessly. At its core, data communication is the movement of data between points using various transmission media to ensure accurate and efficient information delivery. Networking, on the other hand, involves the design, development, and administration of interconnected systems to promote communication. These technologies form the foundation of modern digital infrastructure, enabling everything from personal communication to crucial commercial and a large-scale business operation.
Next, I will talk about background infrastructure setup. First, thank you to Infowings and Berhad for allowing us to work on their network infrastructure. This project focuses on designing and implementing a robust and scalable network infrastructure for Infowings Sdn Berhad, a medium-sized company that specializes in IT solutions and services. As the company continues to grow, there is an increasing need for a network that can support essential operations such as web hosting, email services, file transfer, and printing. Infowings Sdn Berhad also provides horizon schematic utility diagram for help us finish this project. The current network setup for Infowings Sdn Berhad include a medium office layout with 2 core switches and 2 wall mount racks connected by 10G copper cables. These core switches labeled as a core switch A and core switch B are strategically located in the room or TCR. They are connected for a communication rack and a wall mount rack, which then connected to a various network devices such as PC, printer, phones, wireless access points, and fax machines. This network infrastructure is designed to ensure efficient and reliable performance, supporting the company critical IT operation and facilitating seamless communication and data transfer across the organization.
The goal of our network design improvement is to enhance Infowings web hosting capabilities and ensure efficient domain name resolution. To achieve this, we propose implementing a web server and a DNS server. The DNS server will translate domain names into IP addresses, making the company's website more accessible to users. Concurrently, the web server will host the website, ensuring it is available and responsive to client requests. To optimize this setup, we will establish a virtual local area network VLAN to separate network traffic, enhancing security and performance by isolating web hosting components from the internal network. Our proposed network design includes several key components. First, core switches, located in the server room connected by 10G copper cables. Second, web server and DNS server, to support web hosting and domain name resolution. Third, VLANs, to separate network traffic, improving security and performance. Fourth, wall-mounted racks, for efficient cable management and connectivity. This design aims to create a more resilient and efficient network infrastructure tailored to InfoWings' digital scope.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'll be doing the part of VLAN configuration. On the VLAN configuration, one must set up the configuration inside the switches. The inside the switch, they must detect that there are the VLAN that we have set up. Like manually, you have to configure, you have to add VLAN in the core switch 1, core switch 2, core switch telecom switch 1, and wall mount switch. For the next part in this graph, in this picture over here, we use the trunk configuration as a way to simplify the network management. You can see it up there. There is the command is switch port mode trunk, and then the user have to enter the switch port trunk allowed VLAN that we created, which is VLAN 10 and VLAN 20. And this will reduce the number of physical links needed between switches, which simplifies network management and reduce the chances of configuration errors. And the purpose of it is to communicate the VLAN. Trunks allow VLAN traffic to traverse between switches. When you configure the trunk port, it can carry traffic for multiple VLAN simultaneously. Next, we need to route the VLAN so they interconnect to one another. So the purpose of it is to enhance security, that VLAN segmentation enhance network security by isolating traffic within specific groups of users and device. Then it will facilitate communication, meaning VLAN logically segment the network into smaller broadcast domains, improving network performance and security.
This picture shows the testing result, a successful ping from PC1 to local printer 1 in room 1 and from PC1 to network printer 1 in room 1 with zero packet loss. This indicates that both printers are currently connected to the network and can communicate with the PC1 without any issue, ensuring reliable printing service in room. This picture demonstrates the testing outcome, a successful ping from PC2 to both local printer 2 and network printer 2 in room 2, showing 0% packet loss. This confirms that the network connections are functioning properly, allowing seamless connection between PC2 and the printers.
Next, I will talk about the analysis of our result. So based on the result of our testing, we successfully created VLAN 10 and 20 assigned to port fast internet 0 until 3 and fast internet 4 until 6 respectively. This was confirmed using the showbreak VLAN command. We configured trunk ports on interface Giga internet 0/1 and the cost features fast internet 0/1 until 2, allowing VLAN traffic for VLAN 10 and 20. While the configuration was successful, we observed brief disruption as the line protocol alternated between up and down. To minimize this disruption, it is recommended to schedule trunk port configuration change during maintenance windows and use monitoring tools to ensure operational stability after changes. Additionally, we enable inter-VLAN routing on core switch configured with appropriate IP address and subnet mask and ensure the VLAN interface setup was operational using the no shutdown command. For future implementation, we recommend enhanced syntax checking through a configuration command checklist. Perform a configuration backup before significant change to allow easy rollback if necessary. Using network monitoring tools to ensure correct and operational configuration, schedule configuration changes during maintenance windows to minimize network impact, and maintaining comprehensive documentation of VLAN assignment and trunk port configuration for troubleshooting and audit.
In conclusion, we improved Infowings sendirian berhad network by adding VLAN, a web server and a DNS server, enhancing performance and security. The setup was successful with minor issues quickly resolved. Future steps include better error checking, schedule maintenance, and through monitoring to keep the network running smoothly. That's all from us. Thank you.